In this video, we'll show you what to do if you keep getting this verification required error on the App Store while trying to download apps on your iPhone. So to fix this, first open the Settings app on your iPhone and then tap on your Apple ID. Now in here, tap on Media and Purchases option. Now simply select View Account. Now in this menu, you will need to tap on Purchase History option. Now if you see any purchases with a red text or an error, you simply need to tap on it and then follow the on-screen prompts to complete the purchase or cancel it. Now come back to this previous menu and then tap on subscriptions. Now in here you will need to ensure that all your subscriptions are active. If there are any failed subscriptions, simply tap on it to remove it or renew it. Once you have done this, come back to the previous menu again and then this time tap on Manage Payments. In here you will need to make sure that your payment method is verified. So as you can see, I am seeing this red text with the verify option. It could be due to the payment method is not verified, or if the credit card has expired, simply tap on it and then follow the on-screen prompts to verify the payment method. Additionally, you will also need to ensure that the billing address is correct. If you are seeing an error even though your credit card information is correct, simply tap on this remove payment method to remove it and then select this add payment method to re-add the payment method. Once you have done this, your issue should be resolved. However, if nothing else works, your last option is to scroll down and then tap on this sign out option. After removing your Apple ID, simply add it back and your issue should be resolved. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.